New Year, happy 2021, and today I will be sharing my glow up tips for the year of 2021 sprinkled with my skincare journey. Last year I went through the glow up of my life, not only physically but also professionally, financially, spiritually, emotionally. I was able to start my own work, I was able to enter YouTube full time, and I was feeling secure financially. So I'm telling you all of this because I feel that I am qualified to tell you the glow up tips, the realistic glow up tips for the year of 2021, so that you can also achieve your goals and start your own dream life. So let's get started with this video. Let me finish my coffee. Okay, let's begin and burn some candles first because it is really cold today. I think it's gonna rain, so may all your dreams come true. May all of you achieve your goals in the year of 2021 like I did in the year of 2020. Before starting, I just want you to make a wish, like say it out loud, leave it in the comments section and just let it out in the universe. Don't hesitate. Now, the next thing I want you to do is make a planner for this year. I want you to write your dreams, your intentions, your visions, and your goals in this notebook for the year of 2021. I'm such a believer of law of attraction, and I believe that all of us have the power to manifest our dreams. And last year, my manifestation power was so strong that I was able to manifest anything that I ever wanted. Of course, you have to put the hard work. So make sure that you make a planner. And the second thing that I keep is a everyday journal. This is where I write my everyday thoughts, my skincare journey whenever I'm trying something new. This journal helps me to keep a track of my everyday growth, and it also lets me know whenever I'm lagging behind. So I highly recommend a journal for you. I also really believe in making vision boards for the year, like for next year or for the 5 years. And I also believe in drawing yourself your dream version. Like I drew a dream version 2-3 years back, and I feel that I'm almost that dream version of mine. That is wholesome. So I want you to draw yourself that dream version and write on everything that you want in your dream version. Like I wanted to be my own boss, and I am that today. And I wanted to wear these suits, and I feel that I have lots of suits in my wardrobe. I also wanted to be a full-time YouTuber, which is what I am today. I wanted my dream version to be more confident physically and mentally healthy, which is what I am today. I wanted to have a beautiful skin, which is what I have today. And all of these things which I mentioned were almost impossible for me because I was suffering from depression at that time, and I was so unhappy in my job, and I just couldn't even imagine that I would be able to fulfill my dreams, that I can live this dream life, I can be my own boss, I can be financially secured, I can be successful. All of these things were a dream, and now it's a reality. So I want you to start with these basic things, like write down all of these things, do a planner thing, make a vision board, do keep a journal for yourself to keep track of your growth, and do it consistently. You will see the fruits and results of your hard work. I want you to put as much as details as you can. For example, if you're looking for a partner, imagine what he looks like: tall, dark, handsome, whatever your preference may be, artist, what is he wearing, how does he speak, how does he sound, what's his fashion style, and put all of these things in details. And I want you to find a closest visual of that person and put it on your vision board. That was for the part of manifestation, manifesting your dreams. And now I want you to give you some tips for your skincare. So 2 things I want you to do is that you make a skincare routine like this. I am going to share on your screen my day skincare and my night skincare, and I want you to make a skincare routine for yourself this year, and this will change your skin for so much better. This will bring more confidence in you to achieve your dreams for the year of 2021. And the second thing is you need to invest in your skincare. Like, do not be cheap with your skincare. It will be beneficial in long term. And learn a little bit more about the skincare ingredients, and I will leave a playlist for you, skincare playlist, somewhere here, and how it really changed my skin. So I never had this amazing skin which you see. I think I started making videos almost 3 years ago, and I posted a Korean skincare routine. At that time it was a huge investment for myself. I got skincare for around 3000 rupees, which was a lot for me at that time. And I credit Korean skincare for the skincare craze that I have and the skin that I have today. But I have switched from Korean skincare to Indian skincare because I feel that the Indian skincare brands are really leveling up their game, and they have skincare products which are more suited for Indian skin types and the Indian weather. I feel that Korean skincare can be too much for the hot and humid weather of India sometimes. So do not sleep on Indian skincare. I keep a healthy balance of Korean and Indian skincare in my skincare routine. Also, I feel that the layering of skincare is very important. I feel that layering of skincare makes all the difference. For example, a glycolic acid toner should be layered with a hyaluronic acid serum or a Cica ceramide serum. These two are like match made in heaven. Also, your vitamin C should be layered with vitamin E. These two are also the best buddies of skincare world. Do not skip the skincare steps. Steps are there for a reason. Like after toner, you need to apply a serum. Do not skip on serum. And after serum, you need to apply the moisturizer. All of these steps are there for a reason. Please do not skip those steps. And skincare takes time, so be patient with your skincare routine. I have been doing this for almost 3-4 years, and now I have my dream skin. So be patient with your skincare. Alright, I'm going to recommend some of the ingredients which I feel are best for Indian skin types. These are best for all skin types, but especially for Indian skin types. First is your glycolic acid, AHAs. I feel that Indian skin suffer from pollution and dust, and it makes the skin dull. So a glycolic acid toner removes all of those dead skin cells and pollution and dust sitting on your skin and gives you a beautiful instant glow. Your glycolic acid toners are instant glow getters, and I recommend the Dr. Sheth Glycolic Acid Toner to all of my subscribers all the time on my channel. It gives you instant glow. Now, the next ingredient is your vitamin C, and vitamin C is acidic in nature, so it triggers your skin to heal itself. And I recommend the Klairs vitamin C serum all the time on my channel. This one is also an instant glow getter. Now, my third favorite ingredient for that glow is your retinoids, your vitamin A. Your AHAs and your glycolic acid works on the surface level, and your retinoids and vitamin A work from the inside. So it gives you a glow from the inside. It boosts up your collagen production, and it gives you that glowy and plump skin which we all dream of. So I recommend the Dr. Sheth Retinoid Power Emulsion. This is for beginners. And I also recommend the Estee Lauder ANR, and these two pair up really well together. Like if you want to start with a retinoid which is effective but also beginner friendly, then you can start with these two. I highly recommend with these, and you can start in your 20s. These two give me a beautiful and plump skin, so I love these. Like I am currently on my retinoid skincare routine, and I am using these two in my skincare routine. Now my fourth ingredient is Cica, also known as Gotu Kola, Tiger Grass, Centella Asiatica. I love this ingredient so much. Like I love it as much as I love the glycolic acid, AHAs, vitamin C, or your retinoids. This is such an amazing ingredient. If you have an inflammation on your skin, if you have redness on your skin, it will calm your skin. I personally love Cica in my skincare routine, especially after my glycolic acid toners. Cica is a superstar ingredient, and I highly recommend this to Indian skin types. Now fifth is the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid has a high water holding capacity. It can attract water molecules from the environment to your skin, and for hyaluronic acid serum I recommend the ANR again. This also has hyaluronic acid, and I have done a test on this ANR serum, the hyaluronic acid test, and this serum passed with flying colors. Love this. So like these 5 ingredients were my main ingredients, superstar ingredients for Indian skin types, but I also love ceramides. I also love niacinamide, vitamin E, and your amino acids, peptides, probiotics, green tea, all of these ingredients, and rosehip oil. So these were like my favorite skincare ingredients for Indian skin types and my favorite skincare products for Indian skin types. Now I also want to recommend a product which everybody is scared of, of, but I love it and I highly recommend it, and it's the chemical peels. Chemical peels are best for Indian skin types. It will give you that instant glow in one go. This is that one skincare product that I recommend to everyone. I love and they also love it. And I recommend the basic brightening Dr. Sheth Extra Gentle Daily Peel. Now it's not a daily peel. Do not use it daily. Use it on the Sundays in your Sunday skincare routine and it will give you an instant glow. It scared me. And this will give you an instant glow. It's my #1 glow getter, and this is something I recommend to all of my friends and my family, so you know I love it. And the last thing I want you to say that believe in your dreams, believe in your goals, no matter how big they are, how crazy they are. Believe. I get comments like, why are you applying skincare over makeup, or you already have a good skin, or it's genetics. No. I never had clear and glowy glass skin. Now I do because I did it consistently and I believed in skincare. I also learned a lot about skincare. I started making skincare videos because personally I was also myself on a skincare journey. I wanted that glowy and glass skin that all Koreans seem to have, and now I do. Skincare is science. I believe that 70% of how our skin looks is under our control, and rest of it is genetics. Like with age, you get saggy skin because the collagen production is decreased. You get saggy skin because the hyaluronic acid is decreased in your skin. All of these proteins which were in high concentration when you were young are now decreased. And with age, your skin cell renewal process also slows down. So I recommend the AHAs, which removes the dead skin cells. I recommend retinoids, which increase the production of collagen, peptides, and ceramides. All of these things are so good for your skin. Hyaluronic acid plumps out those fine lines. So if you have those fine lines, you can start using hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine, and it will 100% plump out your water loss related wrinkles. Wrinkles on your face and saggy skin is mainly because of the dehydration and decreased collagen production. So that's why I recommend these ingredients to Indian skin types and all skin types. Okay, my kitty cats. And I think that's all for the glow up tips for the year of 2021. I know it was all over the place, but I just wanted to sit down and chit chat with you for the new year. This is my first video for the year of 2021, and I hope you got some glow up tips and you are on your way for the glow up that you have been waiting for. So I think that's all for today's video, and I wish you and your family very happy new year, happy 2021. And now I'm going to have lunch. So bye bye my kitty cats.